Hi, I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care, and welcome to In the Mix. Today I'm really excited to share with you the perfect blend that you can do for your eyes if you're suffering from puffiness, dark circles, or looking to remove any of those fine lines around that delicate eye area. So today we're going to celebrate with one of our award-winning products, our Age Corrective Ultra Eye Cream, and that's the one with the rolly ball, so I'll show you that in a moment. And then of course our beautiful, brand new, hot off the presses Marine Flower Peptide Eye Cream. As you can tell, they're both going to be that perfect match for you to get rid of any of those issues that you visibly see in your skin. So first off to bat is to talk about that beautiful Age Corrective Ultra Hibiscus. Now what this does is that this has caffeine in it. So what does that caffeine do? Caffeine is really amazing as an ingredient because it helps get rid of any excess fluid in your eyes, so thus the puffiness that you see. Then there's also hibiscus, also in the title of the product, that's going to be a powerful antioxidant that's actually going to help with elasticity. So who can beat that? Second is to bring in our Marine Flower Peptide Cream. Amazing stuff. We just launched this not too long ago, and it's a hot seller already. And what it's going to do for you is it's going to bring in that great deep hydration and minimize the appearance of the fine lines that you do have. So you can tell now that by blending these two little puppies together, you are going to have the best product application for those issues. So always the Age Corrective Ultra goes on first, that you get that immediate instant gratification. So do a little pump, and then you just want to gently roll it around your eye area. Trust me, this feels amazing in the mornings, especially if you have those allergy eyes. So any of you wake up pretty puffy, this is brilliant. After you apply that in, you can just do a little extra blend. Then you pick your Marine Flower Eye Cream. One little half pump. See how tiny that is? And then you want to massage it through. Leave on. Now, this can be done in the morning and it can be done at night, so there's no real restrictions for you to get that beautiful care for your eyes. I really hope you enjoyed this In the Mix. I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care, and if you want to see more of this, then please click and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.